Hi there. Welcome back to Nature Series. We need to feed the drakes. Feed our drakes. Oh, seagulls want to join in too.
Look at these little guys. Don't get too close when I peck you. They're a bit hungry today, aren't they?
Look at those silly geese.
Whoa, they're having some fights today.
The geese took it first.
No, I broke this one. Funny.
Wow.